Sleeping Paralysis AI, Season 3, Episode 2, May Pasabog Yang, Fiesta at Musical Poro, Nalalabas Young Dragon Balls.
Glinda? Glinda? Nasaan daw yung panty ni Hina? Something has changed within me. Something is not the same. I'm through with... Ang tagal. Hindi yun. Since malapit na yung Wicked for good.
I've heard it said that people come into our lives.
Wanna play? Wanna play? Wanna play?
And we are led to those who help
Maghintay ka, duet yan. Duet.
If we let them, and we help them in
May
return.
nag-AI pa ba dito sa ano?
Well, I
Sa
don't
TikTok?
know if I
Habang hinihintay ko yung live ko, may nag-AI pa ba dito? Wala na.
But I know
Wala na namamalimos dito. So ako na yung unang magmamalimos na naman.
I knew like a color
Pupunta pala ako ng Australia para sa
as it passes
Wednesday.
the sun.
Wednesday season 2.
Like a string that needs to pull
Thank you, Netflix.
halfway through because I knew you.
Ikaw, Mi, yung galawan mo pang AI.
I have been changed.
I-share niya! I-share niya yung live! Manggugulo tayo sa Well, it may be that we will never meet again in this lifetime. So let me say before we part, so much of me is made of what I learned from you. You'll be with me like a handprint on my heart. And now what I'm doing, we have it tonight, baby, my friend. Ay, sorry, naglag. Who can say if I've been chased? Set na rosas. Because I knew you.
Because I knew you.
I have been changed for good. And just to clear the air, I ask forgiveness of the things that done to me. But then,
Yes, we know there's ways.
hulaan mo kung sino ang tumila sa ice cream. So not anymore. Like a Sherlock from its glory. By the wind of the sea. Hawakan mo ang pusa ko. You can say
I've been changed for the
yan na, nawala na ako.
I do
Paborito ko yun eh.
anymore.
I do believe I had been changed for the
Because I knew you.
because I knew you.
Because I knew you. I have been changed.
For good item. Good item. Barang ka, te, barang ka, te, barang ka, barang ka, te, barang ka. The wind drives, yes. Itong tugtog na to yung background music ko. Amuyin mo ang roses ko. Namiss niyo to, te. Promise. Parang kate, parang kate. Braga! Amuyin mo ang roses ko. Ay, sorry, nag-lag. Manual lag. Bumalik ka nga. Ayan, balik. Hanapin ako sa tinago ang mga pideya. Nandyan na ba ang mga pideya? Say pideya! Say pideya! Nag-aadik ka na din ba? God. Nalala ko yung mga nagla-live kasi. Yung talagang ginawa na nilang kabuhayan yung yung AI. Tap tap tap. Share. Ate naman. Mamaya magkukwento ko ng buhay ko. Abangan nyo dahil ang buhay ko ay isang musical. Sasayawan ko na lang kayo. Music please. Gigantes Festival to, boy. Gigantes Festival yun. O hindi Sacrilege na, hindi Santo Niño yun. Sa Gigantes Festival, ang kanta, Santa Clara, Pinompino, folk song. Oh, baka mamaya, religion, hindi yun day, ha? Hindi natin itatouch ang religion. Yung puso din.
Sabi and I Dorina.